Good morning, folks, and welcome back to fishing. So yeah, we're going at it again today. If you've been watching the videos, yesterday I got an absolute doormat fluke, just shy of 11 pounds, 29.5 inches. It was Saturday, September 21st. Today is Sunday, and where I'm at in my life right now, Sundays are like the casual fishing day. I don't have all day like I did yesterday, so if you look at these conditions right now, it's gorgeous. So I have to go back to the city this afternoon, but I figure I might as well give it a shot, because who knows, maybe there's a 12 pounder or a 13 pounder down there. And even if there isn't, this is where I want to be at this hour in the morning. There's not too many other things that I'd rather be doing with my time, hobby or activity wise. So we're gonna get out there. Hopefully we can get some nice fish. We also got a nice false albacore yesterday, so got that in the mix too. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, we're out in the spot right now. It's about 7:30, so I got about like 3 hours of fishing time. I'm not trying to go nuts like yesterday, as I said. And honestly, I said yesterday my mission was to stock the freezer, and I'm pretty sure I did a really nice job with that yesterday. So today, I don't really plan on keeping too much unless I get something that possibly might overshadow the fish that I caught yesterday. Either that, or unless it gets gut hooked or something. So we're gonna do the tried and true. I'm gonna replace this bucktail that's on here just because it got a little bit mangled yesterday. Plus, I tried what Yakking with Bigfoot was doing. I marinated my other bucktail in the gulp juices to make it maybe more enticing. So we're gonna see what that does, but 1.5 ounce to start. And we got a dropper loop just to make this a little bit quicker if I wanna change it up. Dropper loop bucktail, thing is soaked in the juices of the gulp. Then we're gonna put a mangled piece of gulp on the bottom, also marinating in those gulp liquids. And then finally, because the tail will just get nipped off if there's any sea bass or any small fish down there, and we don't want to be jigging and not having a proper presentation, we have the Fat Cow jig strip 5-inch eel, and we're just going to tip that like so, and we're going to get it down. And it's 7:30. Hopefully this is a good day. This is a done deal right here if we can get in it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Got him. Come. Yes. Definitely not as big as yesterday's, but we're all for it. Hoping it's bonito. Come on. Woo! Hell yeah. Never gets old. It'd be really cool if this is bonita. False albacore, it's going back, but bonita I'll take. That's one of the few fish I'd really like to keep today if I can get one. Gotta tire him out. Just sitting there now. Damn, these things can pull. I'm guessing this is an albacore. Just sitting there. Jeez. These things just do not give up. Love it. All right, here we go. Make up some lost ground. Reverse drive would definitely come in handy right now. What I really don't want is this thing to get lopped off by a shark, because they're definitely around. Come on. Oh, God. Such a strong fight. It's insane. This might even be bigger than the one yesterday, who knows? Maybe he's foul hooked. Oh my gosh. I saw him, got some color, I think. Definitely an Albie. He's doing the death spiral. Pound for pound, I don't think anything that I catch in shore fights like these guys do. There he is. Big old Albie. Oh, he's on. Oh God. Don't. No, not the drive. Come on. Don't get tangled around that shit. There we go. Oh God, jeez. Come on. Right into the net. Right into the net. Nope. Barely hooked. Let's let him chill for a sec. Oh my gosh. Another nice Albie, folks. This might be bigger than the one yesterday. I don't know. It's about the same size, I guess. keeping this one, so. Whew. Those things know how to fight. All right. Prefer not to get hooked. So let's get this out. No. All right, see that? Oh yeah. And away he goes. All right, we just got that Albie, let it go. I'm not keeping any more of those things until I know just how good they eat, which I'm gonna try tonight, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Probably. I've heard conflicting reports on how good or not good they are, so I'm really quite curious, but you know, try new things. But right now, those Albies are long gone, so let's get back on the bottom. See if we can get some other fish. Got something. Didn't mark him or anything. It's little. Little fish. Little baby weakfish. We knew these guys were down there. Starting to get a little snotty out here, but totally fishable. And I'm not going to be out here long, at least by fishing standards, in my subjective opinion. This fish just won't commit. There it is. Oh my God! Come on. There he is. Let's not lose this one. Feels good. Feels really nice. Nice fish. It's a fluke. Fluke or big sea bass. Big sea bass, I think. It's gotta be a big sea bass. Oh, wow. Yes. Getting a picture of this guy. Yeah. Oh. It's a nice 3.5 pounder, I'd say. If I had to guess. Nice tank sea bass right there. We got enough meat though, so we're gonna put him back. See ya. All right, we put that nice sea bass back. Unless I get one that's like in the 5-pound class, I really am not trying to keep sea bass because they're a bit of a chore to clean. Unless you got a lot of time, and you know, like I said, my hands are a little bit tender right now from yesterday. So I prefer not to have to clean a whole bunch of really scaly, spiny fish if I don't have to. So after that sea bass, I got a few more smaller sea bass and weak fish, but nothing that special. Fished about another hour, and it was a nice time. I really enjoyed catching that false albacore and just being on the water in general. It's no better way to start the morning off. So that was about it for the trip. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, there's definitely more content. Hit that subscribe button. I've also linked the trip that I mentioned at the beginning of the video from the day before. If you want to see a massive fluke off a kayak, definitely check that out. Plus, I got a really nice false albacore that day as well. But that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.